Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we're going to create a quick review about this AI website called VNC Connect. So we're going to check the features, the pros and cons about this platform to help you decide if this platform is the best platform for you to work with in 2025. So to get started, have you ever wanted to see and control other computer from anywhere? That's kind of what VNC Connect lets you do. It's like a remote desktop tool. Think of it as looking to another screen, using its mouse and keyboard, but you are not actually there. To make this happen, you create a connection. You need the VNC viewer app on the device you are using to connect. The computer you want to control needs something called a server running on it. So real VNC make a VNC Connect. It works on different kind of computer, even a Mac. If you need enhance something to on your computer at home from anywhere, VNC connection can help with that. So talking about the best features of this platform, it comes with a wide range of benefits. So VNC Connect has some really cool features that makes it easier to connect. So these features help you connect to other computer in various ways depending on your need. So let's look at some of the best ones on this platform. So one of the best features you can use to connect with other computer is using on demand assist. You can also use a remote vendor access and can also use on premises solution, and these features are also called mobile access. So how these features give you an access to a computer even though when you're not there. You can also use a remote access, and that's it. So talking about the pricing plan, this platform comes with a different pricing plan. It comes with an essential plan, a plus plan, a premium plan, and that's it. So if you want more information about each and every plan and the features, you can simply get back to the website to check out the listed option on each plan to help you decide which one is the best for you to use to get out with how to get things for the business or for your teamwork. So that's it. Talking about the pros and cons, it's good to understand the good side and the bad side of a particular platform before you decide to dive into it. So talking about the good side, the platform is user friendly. It also comes with a cross-platform and a secure connection. And talking about the downside, which is the network dependence, advanced features requires a high tide of payment and occasionally complexity in advanced setup, and free version is limited. So that's it. Let me know in the comment section what you think about this AI website. Thanks.